We are truly impressed by the great history, fast developing present, and promising future of Hyderabad. I would like to extend heartfelt thanks to Piki and Mr. Devendraji for arranging this wonderful program in Hyderabad. Nepal, India have a historical, friendly and close relations for centuries. This relations is multifaceted, multidimensional and people to people level relations. Especially relations between Nepal and India in economic cooperation sector is most important and wider. For example, more than 65% Nepalese trade is happened with India. More than 46% foreign direct investment is from India and more than 26% tourist comes from India in Nepal. Millions of Nepali workers in India and Indian workers in Nepal are working and living. Remittance from each other countries flows. Nepal and India have pegged currency, fixed exchange rate for more than half century. We have open border and easy access to each other country. In SAARC region, more than 95% Nepalese trade is with India. It shows how widely Nepal and India are engaged in economic sector. We want to further economic cooperation and engagement in the days to come. There are several areas for further cooperation. Foreign direct investment is one of the most promising areas among them. We have already well-tracked bilateral investments. For example, India is the largest source country of FDI in Nepal, as I already stated. And not only India invests in Nepal, but Nepali investors are also investing in Nepal, but it is in small scale. Distinguished guest, my request is that we expect much more investment from Indian investors in Nepal. Especially, I want to highlight few points why Nepal is one of the best destinations for Indian investment.